is breakfast area. We have to pay £8 50 pence. Breakfast is not included in my package. So yogurt, fruit salad, cheese, and so first we have to come here and give our card. We have paid for the breakfast. Then they'll give plate and cup. So this is bread, brown bread and white bread. So I had only bread, 4 slices of bread, veggies, jam, butter, and different milks, tea bag. There's a coffee machine. So this is the area where we can sit and eat. So this is also coffee machine. This is a toaster. I sat here and ate my breakfast. I have to put all used cutlery here, glasses, cups, plates, everything here. People are taking rest, and there also some people are eating here, there. So everywhere. Good morning, everyone. Today is 8th. So Thursday. I am leaving my hotel today, hostel. Now it is 9:50 almost. So I am running late, like 1.5 hours, 2 hours. So now I am planning to visit Greenwich Mean Time. So where they have started time, like they have set a benchmark like Greenwich Mean Time, and then after that I will just go to Canary Wharf, and my senior, my friend, college friend Shivakumar Singh with his wife wants to meet me during lunch. So I was in touch with him since yesterday. So this is my hostel. So I am leaving now. So and I am planning to meet him during the lunch. So around Canary Wharf. So that is my plan for lunch till lunch. So after lunch I will go to that Westminster, 10 Downing Street, London Eye, and all those areas. So but yeah, and after that I want to visit Harrods. So other central London like Leicester Square, Trafalgar Square. So all those central London attractions. This DLR stop is very close to me. You can see Tower Gateway. So this is the first time I am using DLR this time, in this trip. So it is actually driverless. So it is wanted by some people, but it is driverless. So I am taking this to go to Greenwich Mean Time. So I am taking this train to go to Greenwich Mean Time. So where in the world the time has been standardized, and it is set to always measure using this GMT. This is the DLR train. I like it very much because it is very cool and it is driverless. So this is the DLR trains, Dockland Light Rail in London. So it is only in central London, East London. The DLR, I have to get down at next stop. From there I have to take a Lewisham train to go to Greenwich. He is Rupesh. He helped me to navigate in this train. So he is just, I think, a train supervisor. The train has started. I am sitting in front coach. So this is the view from front coach. So that is my hostel. I can see my hostel and my room. So my room is this side, Wombard City Hostel. So somewhere here. So very close to my hostel. This is the view from window. Train is coming, going to Victor. So no, it is going to Tower Gateway.
This train is for Beckton. The next stop is Shadwell. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
So I have to get down here and take another train going towards Lewisham. So then I have to get down at Greenwich. It's called Greenwich, not Greenwich. Map for this DLR. This is Shadwell train. So now the next train is Bank. So Bank. The next train is in 1 minute. I have to take this train from Shadwell, and I have to get down at this. You can see Greenwich. So it is like 3, 4,
The next
9, 10
train
stops
at platform 2
is
is
coming.
for Bank.
Oh, this bank train. I have to wait here. My train comes on this platform. So that only goes bank, and from bank there are 5 lanes connecting, tube lines. So this I have to take this train, which is going to Lewisham. My train approaching. So it is going to Lewisham. I have to get down at Greenwich after 9-10 stops. So this is the train going to Lewisham. The train is going to back. Only 2 stops from here. I am going to Lewisham via Greenwich. So that train is C2C, national line. So that will go to South End from West End. This is Limehouse stop. Limehouse.
Leaving the train, please remember
This is West Ferry station. West Ferry. Buildings in Canary Wharf. So this is the only place where we can find high-rise buildings. Biggest buildings in London. Not in London, entire UK. So here we find the big HSBC Bank and Barclays Bank, JP Morgan Bank. So I will tour these buildings when in my return from Greenwich. I get down at this place and I spend at least 30 minutes. So this is Canary Wharf station, and this train is going to Lewisham.
Please remember to take all your belongings with you. The next stop is South Quay. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
Greenwich, I am getting down here. So yeah, Greenwich bus stop, Greenwich. So this is Greenwich station. I am getting down here. So I have to go where time has started. So where they have started measuring or calculating time. So there is a point here. So I will go ahead, spend some time there, and then I will go back to Canary Wharf. This train is going to Bank. Light Railway, and this is Greenwich station. So very cute and very calm this way. That is the way from Greenwich DLR station. So I'm now going this way. Now left side, you can see Welcome to Maritime Greenwich. So where the time has started calculating, measuring time. So I have never visited this. So even though I have stayed here for more than 5 years, but so this time I am making sure that I visit this, because this is very, very, very important in the entire world. So you can see Novotel Hotel. See the beautiful houses. I think this is in central London, so it is very, very expensive. So central London is like Manhattan in New York, even though we don't find very big towers like Manhattan, but this is also very important, expensive, posh, and neighborhoods. National Rail Station. So National Rail means the trains which goes to country, like countryside, from London or anywhere. So not city, London city, but outside of London city. So this is Greenwich area. Greenwich. I am going towards Greenwich Meantime Observatory. So Cuttis Ark, Maritime Museum. So all at I think one place. So I have to go straight. So I am feeling sad that I have never visited this place, even though I have stayed in UK for 5 years, and it is close to East London. So where I used to come from Chelmsford. So I need to take only DLR, and I can come here. This is the old ship here. They just, docked. They have put it here just to the oldest ship. So this University of Greenwich is here. So old ship. So it's all world famous tourist attractions. This is Cuttis Ark. I don't know what is the meaning of Cuttis Ark. So you can see the Canary Wharf, HSBC building, JP Morgan, Barclays, so all Chase. So it is like downtown in London. So this is the only place where we find skyscrapers. So rest of entire London is like flat. We don't find any skyscrapers. This is Cuttis Ark ship. So it is 150 years old. So to go inside the ship, it is $22 pounds. But I'm not interested. Like just we can go upstairs. That's it. So not much to see. But it is if you have time and if you want to spend more money, it's fine. So but I will go to Greenwich Museum. So this ship used to bring tea from China, and afterwards they have given to Portugal, and from there again they have taken from Portugal, and they have docked here from past 9 years.